Greetings, fellow gadget lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of innovations. This machine is designed to remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies. The machine is operated by a crew of trained professionals who navigate it through the backwaters, collecting weeds and debris as they grow. The collected material is then deposited onto a barge or other vessel for disposal. The Deere 1050K is a powerful crawler dozer designed for use in heavy construction and mining applications. With its advanced features and technologies, this crawler dozer provides exceptional performance, productivity, and reliability in even the most challenging operating environments. This machine is equipped with a dual-path hydrostatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive control over the dozer's speed and direction. The Struck Verix 4500 is a high-quality cultivator designed for farmers and agricultural professionals looking to prepare fields for planting and improve soil quality. This machine features 6 cultivator tines, which can be adjusted to suit the needs of the specific field and crop. It also comes equipped with Diabolo rollers, which provide a highly effective soil compaction system. Lofness Quick Trim is a powerful machine designed for trimming trees and other vegetation. Equipped with a hydraulic boom and an adjustable cutting head, this machine can reach up to 7.5 meters, making it perfect for trimming tall trees and hard-to-reach areas. This machine is designed for use in various settings, including parks, orchards, golf courses, and along roadways. The Broad 9070L is a grape harvester produced by the French agricultural equipment manufacturer New Holland Agriculture. The harvester is designed to harvest grapes in vineyards with precision and efficiency. It includes a powerful engine that can handle tough terrain, a high-capacity picking head that can harvest up to 7,000 kilograms of grapes per hour, and a gentle grape handling system that minimizes damage to the fruit during harvesting. The Modi Pumpkin Harvesting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for commercial pumpkin harvesting. It's designed to efficiently harvest pumpkins from fields in a quick and automated process. The machine works by driving over the pumpkin plants and using a set of rotating blades to cut the stem from the pumpkin, separating it from the vine. The pumpkins then fall onto the conveyor belt or other collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area. The AgZeed robot tractor is an innovative and intelligent machine designed for precision farming. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence that enable it to navigate autonomously and perform various farming tasks with high accuracy. It's also equipped with safety features such as obstacle detection and emergency stop that ensure safe operation. The modern sugarcane harvester is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies. One of the most important features is the machine's ability to strip the sugarcane stalks of their leaves, while also cutting the stalks at the base. This process is done simultaneously, which greatly increases the efficiency of the harvesting process. Another key feature of modern sugarcane harvesters is their ability to accurately measure and weigh the harvested sugarcane. The New Holland Grain Corn Harvester is a highly efficient and productive machine that is specifically designed to harvest grain corn. It comes with a powerful engine that provides the necessary power to the machine, allowing it to operate smoothly and quickly. The harvester is designed with a large capacity grain tank that enables it to harvest and store large amounts of grain corn. The harvester is designed with a specialized header that's equipped with multiple rows of knives. Pay attention to this track system. Such systems can be installed on different combines using various adapter options. It provides a smooth ride, reliability, fuel economy, the greatest contact with the soil, and the highest throughput. The The JCB 8330 is a powerful tractor with a robust design that makes it ideal for handling heavy-duty tasks like slurry spreading. It features a large capacity tank that can hold a significant amount of liquid manure, which makes it possible to cover large areas of farmland without needing frequent refills. The tractor also comes equipped with a specialized spreading mechanism that ensures even distribution of the liquid manure across the field. The amphibious Menzimug excavator is a unique construction machine designed to operate in a variety of challenging environments, including wetlands, swamps, and other aquatic ecosystems. The Menzimug excavator is built on a versatile and highly mobile undercarriage that can traverse even the most difficult terrain. The Krone Pellet Mill Primos 5000 is a high-tech machine that is designed to convert a variety of agricultural materials into high-quality feed pellets. The Primos 5000 is equipped with a powerful hammer mill that is capable of crushing and grinding a wide range of materials, including corn, wheat, barley, and soybeans. The ground material is then compressed into dense pellets using a state-of-the-art pellet mill. Bale forks are an essential piece of farm machinery that is used to move and transport large hay bales. They consist of a set of sturdy prongs that are attached to a tractor or loader, allowing farmers to easily lift and move bales from one location to another. One popular model of bale forks is the TDD series from Goweil Maschinenbau GmbH. They can be used with a wide range of bale sizes and shapes, making them ideal for a variety of farming operations. Modern hedge trimming machines are highly efficient and reliable tools designed to trim hedges and shrubs quickly and easily. They're typically powered by electricity, gasoline, or batteries, and come in various sizes and shapes to suit different types of hedges and shrubs. The Beet Harvester Tiger 8 is one technological advancement that is helping farmers achieve greater efficiency and productivity in harvesting sugar beets. It's a self-propelled machine that's designed to lift and separate sugar beets from the soil. It's equipped with a series of advanced features, including automatic steering, high-resolution cameras, and adjustable lifting system. The Tiger 8 is also equipped with a cleaning system that can remove excess dirt and debris from the sugar beets. The self-propelled Mulcher LV600 is a versatile machine designed for land clearing and vegetation management in a variety of environments. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, the LV600 is capable of mulching dense vegetation, trees, and stumps with ease. With the help of such machines today, nuts, olives, and other fruits are harvested. These machines use a combination of shaking and suction techniques to detach the nut from the tree and transport them to the collection point. This significantly reduces the time and labor required for manual nut harvesting, while also improving the quality of the harvested nuts. The Sunfish Trencher is a highly efficient machine that can dig trenches in various widths and depths. It's designed with a powerful engine that provides ample torque and horsepower, ensuring that the machine can handle tough soil and terrain conditions. The trencher blade is adjustable, allowing operators to customize the depth and width of the trench according to their needs. The Challenger MT765C is a powerful and versatile crawler tractor produced by AGCO Corporation, one of the world's leading manufacturers of agricultural equipment. One of the key benefits of this tractor is its advanced track system. The tractor is equipped with a heavy-duty track system that provides superior traction and flotation on a wide range of soil types, allowing it to operate effectively in challenging field conditions. The Horsch Lieb P2 280 is a state-of-the-art self-propelled sprayer designed for precision agriculture. This advanced technology is designed to ensure precise application of crop protection products even at high speeds. It features individual nozzle control and automatic boom height adjustment, which helps to reduce overlap and prevent drift. This technology also allows farmers to save on chemical costs and improve their crop yield. John Deere tailed sprayers are available in a range of sizes and configurations, allowing farmers to select the best option for their specific needs. The tanks of these sprayers are made from durable polyethylene, which is resistant to UV rays and chemicals. The tanks are available in sizes ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 liters, giving farmers plenty of options to choose from. The BB Umwelttechnik Clementer Kampfschwader combination is a powerful and versatile machine designed for use in agricultural settings. This combination machine includes the Kampfschwader and a Clementer, two important pieces of equipment used in the haymaking process. The Kampfschwader is a machine used for tedding and raking hay. It consists of a series of rotating teeth that lift and separate the hay, helping it to dry more quickly and evenly. The Konrad HL20N1 is a six-wheel harvester machine that is primarily designed for use in medium to large wood forests. It's a versatile and powerful machine that is capable of efficiently harvesting a wide range of trees and shrubs, including hardwood and softwood species. Thanks to the balanced mass distribution, the ground pressure is optimized and the maximum retention of even soft soil is achieved.